birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, Mark. It is what? How old are you? 29? 24.
Yeah, fuck you. I'm not that old yet.
All right, and what are we doing here?
You guys are chugging a beer.
Yeah,
Slam some beer.
You better slam it. There's a competition. Ready? 20 bucks on Cameron. Go.
Pussy.
What?
Fucking cold, dude.
Oh, my tooth.
Oh, your vagina.
No, it's not gonna work out.
It's not-
Way too fucking cold of beer. Way too fucking cold of beer.
Oh my god, my mouth.
That is sick, bro. That is sick.
Oh.
Deep down inside, into serenity from my guilty conscience for all of my mistakes. Shame on you. Shame on me. What you done to me made it hard to believe. If I die tonight, promise me you'll go on with your life. It's too bad, so sad. We had no chance to say our goodbyes. Don't worry about me.
All right, we're with Chad Lunn. And Chad, tell me, what is the secret to getting a great vocal take?
Green. What? Green tea? Honey. Honey, green tea.
Okay, green.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
A little bit of. And that's it.
That's it.
That's the key to magic vocals.
And that's what makes $1 million records.
$1 billion records.
Cool.
Oh, I love you, Chad.
It's okay.
That's your birthday present, by the way.
Still I'm left with no reason why it's too late. Oh, I'm gone. You're still standing there on and maybe someday.
Yeah.
See me on the other side and maybe.
Mark's snoring.
It's the open one. Or no, you have to open it.
He sounds like he's dying.
Did you film it?
Yeah. I don't. You hear him?